In the quiet forests of Europe, a master of deception is at work. She doesn't build a home. She doesn't gather food. Instead, she waits. This is the common cuckoo. To the untrained eye, she is just a bird. But to her neighbors, she is a ghost, a thief, and a professional liar. But her greatest trick is yet to come. She finds a nest, waits for the moment the owners leave, and in a matter of seconds, she replaces their future with her own. She leaves her own egg for an unsuspecting host to raise as their own. A burden they will never see coming.